Hey guys, LechK here. Today a quick video to show you how to replace a cabin air filter inside a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're working on a 2014, but this idea will work for most cars in general. 2014 and 2021 is probably the part number that will match for all the makes for the specific filter, but I'll put links and part numbers in the description below, so definitely check that out. Also check out my channel for all other related videos to this car and other cars, car leaking, oil, stuff like that, repairs. I have it all. Anyways, let's get started. This is the filter I'm going with, part number here. This is what the filter actually looks like. One thing you got to remember is the airflow, which I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a second. And how do we get the filter? It's right here in your glove box. You got to pop this open, and then there's this little suspension tab here. I'll show you both sides. So all you got to do is pull this down to disconnect it. So you kind of need two hands technically, but I should be able to do it with one. Boom. Popped it out. Now there's a tab here and a tab here. All you do is push each one and pull this down all the way, and now this whole thing will disconnect. You can just drop it on the floor, and your filter sits right in here. So there's a little tab clip here that you pull here. Once you pull this, it comes off here. Later you gotta hook this over there. See this? You gotta hook it on that over there later. So here's a filter. Note which way the airflow is going, shows you down. So we're just gonna grab this filter, pull it out. Let's see how filthy it is. And yeah, it is pretty filthy, guys. I don't remember last time this was actually changed. So that's on me. Anyway, get rid of the old one. Let's get the new one. Airflow down. I'm gonna make sure there's no debris or nothing in there loose. We're good. So just slide this right in there. Just like that. Now we gotta make sure we hook that tab again with our clip. So all I'm gonna do is just get in there, get a hook on it, and now snap that into place. We are good. Now you're gonna need two hands because you gotta pull this cord. So I'm gonna change my angle, but all you're doing is hooking these three back on here. So we're gonna do that with two hands, and then we just clip it all back up. Like I said, make sure you have this pulled. There's a little hook here that we're just gonna hook it back onto that. So just gonna line these three tabs up. Click this in here. Hope you guys can see. That's it, just hooks. And now push these tabs back in on both ends. Make sure you align in the bottom, and there we go. We are done. That's how you change the cabin air filter, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for more how-to videos. Thanks a lot.